everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another video na naman no, on my DeFi pet game. So in this video guys, I'm going to share with you my very first experience on evolving pets. Ayan, first time kong magpa-evolve ng pet at talagang na-reserve ko itong moment na to for this video. So, let's start. Case, ayan. Actually, kakatapos ko lang mag-breed ng dalawang pets, si Tigra at saka si Adonis yung napili ko at ito yung naging resulta ng aking first ever breeding. Ayan. My favorite part sa game is breeding. And I love the Happy Forest. Tsaka yung name niya, Happy Forest, really happy. Talagang pang masaya siya. Anyway, dami kong sinasabi. So, punta na tayo sa moment of truth. Ayan, punta tayo sa pagpapa-evolve ng pet. So, I want to choose. Wow, I choose. I choose Tigra, no? Gusto ko siya. So, punta tayo kay Tigra. Ayan, level 10 na siya. And as you try to evolve your pets, guys, you will need another Dapat tokens, no? And in this moment of truth, we will need 3 Dapat tokens to, to have our pets evolved. So let's start. Evolve. Yes. Processing. So mag-notify yung ating MetaMask account. Confirm lang natin yung transaction. So, medyo mabagal yung internet. Also, medyo mabagal din yung system nila. Ang dami nilang maintenance, no? Umaabot ng days. Yan. So, confirm mo lang. So, make sure that you have BNB in your MetaMask account because you will use the BNB for gas fees. Ayan. Okay. Oh, wow. That's nice. Tignan nyo guys, super ganda ni Tigra. And she's illuminating. Ayan. Wow. Okay, that's worth 3 Dapat tokens, no? For that feeling of fulfillment. Ayan. It cost us 3 Dapat tokens. Buti na lang nabili ko yung token na Dapat, nung pa lang siya, around 48 pesos pa lang yung price. So, ayan guys, this is my first ever evolved pet, si Tigra. So, I'm planning na next naman in line would be Spike. Si Spike, ayan. Pinaka-favorite ko si Spike. Tingnan niyo, super cute niya talaga gumalaw. And the next one, wala pa akong next, but I'm really planning to choose Spike na as my next pet to evolve. Ayan guys, so that's it. For those na magsisimula pa lang sa game na to, I highly suggest that you buy a lot of Dapat tokens because the Dapat tokens will really help you in leveling up sa game, no? Sa pag-evolve and also sa breeding and also in buying eggs. Yan. So habang mura pa yung coin or you wait for the coin to get cheaper, ayan, then bumili ka talaga ng marami, no? Fund your game with a lot of Dapat tokens because it will really help you to move, in the game and for you to really enjoy its full features. So that's it, guys. That's it for my video. I hope that somehow it helped you, on how to evolve a pet in this NFT game. So, if you have the time, guys, please click like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So, thank you so much and have a great day. Bye!